on that, the call via device audio on there. So you just have to click there so that you can listen more clearly. Okay. So now I hope you are very clear with the first example. Okay. As per the algorithm of the problem, it says that we need to check whether the given problem is in a square matrix or not, or whether the number of rows are equal to number of columns or not. Now I can see there are 5 rows, A, B, C, D, E, and there are 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means the problem satisfy the condition of square matrix. Then going further, we just have to go in for a step 2, that is row reduction. Step 2 says row reduction. How are we going to do the row reduction? From each row, identify the minimum element. Identify the minimum element and then check for a minimum element in each row and then subtract it from the other rest of the elements in that particular row itself. Now in the first row, 5 is the least element, so I am deducting all my other elements from 5. So that is 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, 13 minus 5 is 8, 15 minus 5 is 10, 16 minus 5 is 11. So this is how it is. So if I select 3 as the minimum element in the second row, then what will be the answer? 3 minus 3 is 0, 9 minus 3 is 6, 18 minus 3 is 15, 13 minus 3 is 10, like this. You have to reduce the matrix row wise. Now this has been done. Step 2 is been done. I hope you have got the same answer as mine. Anybody doing the problem along with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Sumant, you are able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the 4th module of your operation research after transportation. Fine. Now going further, what we have to do? Somebody can unmute and can answer me. How are we supposed to do this? Next, column reduction. How are we doing the column reduction? Take the reduced row matrix, identify column wise minimum element. Okay? Minimum element, identify column wise minimum element. And then from that element, you have to subtract the rest of the elements. So in the first column, the minimum element is 0. And
Yes.
then in the second column, minimum element is 0. Third column is also minimum element is 0. Fourth column. I hope you all are able to follow this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now do. क्या हुआ टीना?
कर
आ रहा
रही
है
हूँ
कर?
मैं। हाँ।
Okay, करो.
D has 2 zeros.
D row column has D row has 2 zeros.
Why are you checking 0 in column, Baba? In row, Baba. I told you to check in column. First column, second column, third. Vertical nodo. Horizontal alla, vertical. ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ. The first column elements 50803. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಸುಮಂತ್?
Yes, ma'am.
Second column 06545. Third column 815026. Fourth is 1010000. Fifth is 113058. Clear? Okay. Now every column has a 0. Agree? So when every column has a 0, so naturally, even if we reduce it, the matrix will remain the same. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Now I think the matrix will be same as that of your reduced row matrix. The values will remain same, no change at all. Clear? Now what is the next step? What is the next step? Is Ramesh Sutar able to hear me or no? No? रमेश सुतार ऑलरेडी आउट हो गया. What is the next step? Assigning. Assign ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
Yes, ma'am.
Search for a single zero row wise. Reduced matrix na ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು we just have to identify a single zero in each row and start assigning there. Now check for first row. First row mein we have a single zero in second column. Yes? This is a zero. After 5 it is a zero here. So I am assigning my first assignment. Yes. Clear? And how about the second one? Apurva, second assignment कहाँ पे आता है? Tell me.
Second row, first column.
हाँ, second row में first column में आता है. So I am assigning that. You got to be very careful. Now when you're assigning that, check for a subsequent zeros in that particular column.
Okay.
There is a zero in that particular column after 8. So you have to cross mark that. Clear? Okay. Next. Akshata. Now you tell me, where should the third assignment should come? Akshata. You're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Where should the third assignment should come? Now.
Third column.
कौन सा?
Third row, third column.
Why third row, third column will come?
Fifth
I told
row.
you, row mein we have assignment is possible only where there is a single zero. Are there any single zeros in third row? There are 3
No,
zeros.
3 are there.
So we are not assigning there. So skip the assignment. Third row mein mat karo. Don't do it in third row. Then fourth row mein we can do, but we have put in the cross mark here. You know, fourth row में एक को हमने cross डाला है, तो hold it. Don't do the assignment. Then come to fifth row. Fifth row में there is one single zero. Fifth row, fourth column, there is a zero.
Yes,
ma'am.
Row check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಾ row wise ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Row ಒಳಗಡೆ 1 0 ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? Yes, assign there.
Yes.
When you do the assignment, then subsequent zeros will be cross marked. Subsequent zeros ಎರಡು ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು. We are just putting the cross mark there. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now row wise assignment is been done. Huh? Now the
Yes,
row
ma'am.
wise assignment is been done. Now check for column wise. Column wise ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ vertical ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. First column assignment is already there, so we are not worried. Second column also has the assignment, so we are not worried. Third column ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is one single zero which has been left out. ಹೌದಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Third column 8, 15, 0, 2, 6. These are the elements of third column. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now do the assignment for that particular 0.
Yes, ma'am.
When I do the assignment there, the next subsequent 0 in that particular row gets cross marked.
Oh.
Howda? That is the rule. Only one should get one assignment at a time. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now check for all the zeros. All the zeros have been assigned.
Yes, ma'am.
Now count the number of assignments. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
4.
There are only 4 assignments. What is the order of the matrix? How many rows and columns are there? It's a combination of how many rows and columns?
5.
5 into
5
5.
into 5.
If it is 5 into 5, the order of matrix is said to be 5. Okay. Now number of assignments is 4, which is not equal to order of matrix. Order of matrix is 5. To have an optimal solution, like I said, if you want, you can just check the previous problem. Previous problem only, it was 4 rows and 4 column problem ittu, and there were 4 assignments which we had done. Correct? So the problem was optimal. So we were able to attain a optimal solution. Okay.
Yes.
Now here in this problem, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
here in this problem, we haven't attained an optimal solution. Right? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
when the optimal solution is not attained, then what do we do next? So, idain matrix
No.
iruttala, reduced matrix, idanna we are going to revise it. It is just like, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, transportation ಅಲ್ಲಿ we used to do, right? To get an optimal solution, we used a Modi method and all, remember?
Network error.
Modified distribution method. Yes. So similarly, to have an optimal solution here also, we are trying to revise the matrix of wherever we have done the assignment. Clear? And how are we going to revise that matrix? This is very important part of the problem. You all have to pay attention and listen to it carefully. Okay?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Now, check for the row where no single assignment is been made. Row andre ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, A row, B row, C row, D row, E row. There are 5 rows, right? There is one single row which is where the assignment is not at all being made. Mark that. Now, that means the row is D row. D row is one such row where there is no any kind of a assignment is been made. So I am just tick marking that. Okay. And here we, in this row, there are zeros available. I am asking a question. In the row where we have tick marked, are there any zeros?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is that? No.
We have zeros.
Cross mark hidkondana zero, no. Zeros adavillo. 0, 4, 2, 0, 5.
Yes.
So, wherever those zeros are there, or whichever column they represent, So this 0, 1, 1, 0, first column, it is representing. So I'm tick marking that. And there is one more 0 which is representing the fourth column. I'm tick marking that. Yes. Tick mark the first column and fourth column. Right? First ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, wherever the assignment is not done, that particular row I just tick marked. ಆಮೇಲೆ
Yes, ma'am.
in that hello, yes Sumant, please mute madappa please. If you have doubts you can ask me. Zubair also please mute. Zubair. Yes. Okay. Now what from the previous I'll continue. We did the assignment. We saw number of assignments were not equal to order of matrix. So we are just trying to revise the matrix by drawing lines. Drawing lines antandre enu antandre we just have to draw the lines to cover all the zeros. So how do we draw the lines? What are the bases to draw the lines? So to draw the lines, there are certain bases. What are those bases? First, we need to check where in the row where the assignment is not being made. So here in the fourth row, there is no assignment which is being made. Okay, I tick mark, and then then again in the same row, I was supposed to identify the availability of zeros or not. So when there are 2 zeros are available, so with respect to those columns, I have just put in a mark. The zeros are available in the first column and the other 0 is available in the second column. Fine. Next. Now I have to tick mark in the first column where the assignment is being made. Can anybody tell me in the first column where is the assignment is being made?
B.
B. Very good. So in the first column, the assignment is being made on the Bth row. Okay. And similarly, in the fourth column of 0, wherever a green mark madenla nana, wherever I have marked the green, there again check for where the assignment is being made. The assignment is being made on the Eth row. E. So I'm just putting the mark there. So now listen to me carefully. Now this is the time for you to put the lines. Except the rows where you have marked. Okay. I have marked in the second row. I have marked in the fourth row, and I have marked in the fifth row. Except these 3, there are 2 rows which are not marked. So I am just putting the line 1 and 2. Got the point? Lines nan yell hakide where the tick mark is not there. Got the point or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Apurva, Akshata, Tina, Sanika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti able to understand? Shruti? I hope Shruti is listening. Okay. Is it confusing? I am asking, is it confusing?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I see. First step I just marked where the assignment is not being made in the row. So I tick marked that with red so that you all can understand. And in the same particular row, I wanted to know whether are there any zeros available or not. So yes, there are zeros available. So again, I marked those zeros address of the column. So the 1 0 is available in the first column and the other 0 is available on the fourth column. Fine. Now next. In the same column, wherever I have marked green, I wanted to know whether any assignment is being made or not. Yes, those assignments has been made on the second row. And again, in the fourth column, the assignment is being made on the fifth row. Now, so the first two horizontal row-wise lines are drawn on the rows where there is no tick mark at all. Till date, naven tick mark madivala. A tick mark ilde iruvanta row nalli I have just put in a tick mark. Now, and wherever I have tick marked green, the column wise, there I am putting a column lines athwa vertical lines. I am drawing the lines here on the first column and on the fourth column. This is the base for you to draw the lines. Clear with the concept? Row alli where there are no tick mark is being made, al hakbeku, and columns alli where the tick mark is being made, al hakbeku. Clear? Now even if I do that, all my lines are covering. All the zeros have been covered by lines. Check. Yalla zeros line mukantra cover ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now there are uncovered elements. Uncovered andre line touch agilla. 6, 15, 3, 4, 2, 5, 5, 6, 8. Able to see them? These are called uncovered elements. Uncovered elements. ಇವಾಗ ಈ uncovered elements na what is that I have to do? Idralli I have to identify a minimum element. Which is the minimum uncovered element here? Anybody can answer?
2.
2 is the least uncovered element, right?
Yes.
Now I am just highlighting it. Can you see that green? Now that is the highlighted so that you all can understand that is the most, the least uncovered element. Now what is that I have to do? Now the uncovered elements in adavalla, baki uncovered elements 6, 15, 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 6 minus 2, 15 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Who's that drawing the lines on the screen? 4 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 8 minus 2, like this. And can you see the intersections? I have circled them. Can you see the intersections?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
At 5, 10, 8 and 0. These are called intersection. Intersection andre two lines meeting point adu. Hauda? At this point we are adding the least 2. Only at this point we are adding. Mattellu add madangilla. Only at the point of intersection we are adding. And rest of the uncovered elements are deducted. 2 deduct ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So when we do that, the revised element ಅಥವಾ the revised matrix or the new cost matrix will be can anybody tell me what it would be? Five plus 2, it will be 7. 0 as it is, I'm not doing anything. 8, I'm keeping as it is, I'm not touching it. 10 plus 2 because it's a point of intersection. 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay. And there is 11 as it is, I'm not touching 11 and doing anything. And then next 0 as it is, I'm not doing anything. 6 minus 2 because it is the uncovered element, so I am just deducting the least element from it. Tell me the answer. Shruti. Shruti, mute yourself. Okay. Now the revised new cost matrix will be yes, this. Now I have used little color differences so that you all can understand. You can see this 7, 12, 10 and 2. These are the point of intersections where I have added the least element 2, right? No changes in the other elements. And you can see the red elements 4, 13, 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, 4, 6. Can you see this? These elements are in red color because we have deducted this least uncovered element 2 from them. It was 6 here, 6 minus 2 is 4. And it was 15 here, 15 minus 2 is 13. And it was 3 here, 3 minus 2 is 1. Able to follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You had food or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes, ma'am.
good. Who all are there? Only I can see. Sumant, your connection is very low. Why so? I think you might have played a lot of PUBG, so that's why you have used your data connection for that work only, I believe. Because of rain, it is not raining in my place, no? How come it is raining in your place?
Beauty of homework, ma'am.
Whatever it is. Okay. Now moving on to the next. What is the next segment? Next segment is we need to start the assignment. Assignment with the help of on the new cost matrix, whatever we have formed, no, new cost matrix. On this matrix only we are supposed to form the assignment or make the assignments. So when we do that, okay. Now, can anybody tell me where does the first assignment goes? Row wise. First assignment be for
Second column.
second column, and then second assignment will be for
First column.
first column. Again, the subsequent 0 will be cross marked here. In the first column there is 1 0, you just have to cross mark it. Okay. Check for third row. There are 2 zeros, so don't go for assignment. Leave it there only. In the fourth row also there are 2 zeros, so don't go. And then in the E or in the fifth row there is only 1 0, so you can just go in for assignment of that. So when I do that assignment, subsequent zeros will be again cancelled or cross marked. ಅದ್ರ ತಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿರೋ ಝೀರೋನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes. Now row wise allocation is being done. Now check for column wise. First column assignment is there. Second column assignment is there. Third column there are 2 assignments. Don't go, don't do it. Then fifth column There is one assignment. Fifth column only, there is 1 0. Can you see that? Do the assignment there.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth column, I'm telling you. Who's fifth column? It is here. Can you see that? Yes. Fine. Fifth column, this assignment is being made, but subsequent zeros in this particular row. Now there is 1 0 here. I just need to cross mark that. Can you see that? Yes. Now
Yes, ma'am.
there is still one more 0 in the third column. Can you see that? Here.
Yes, ma'am.
Now assign there. Yes. Now all the zeros have been assigned. Check. There are any left out zeros are there or what? Have we left any zeros? No, we can find all zeros. Okay. Now check for number of assignments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So 5 assignments equal to order of matrix, that is 5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have got an optimal solution. Now this optimal solution is just doesn't end here. We should also continue till the last, that is these A, B, C, D are number of people. Okay?
Yeah.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are nothing but jobs. So you just have to make a column of, like I have shown in the picture, A, B, C, D, E. So for person A, we have assigned a job. Job number 2. Okay. And for person B, I have assigned job number 1. And for person C, I have assigned job number 5. For person D, I have assigned a job number 3.
3.
And for person E, I have assigned a job number 4. Now, wherever zeros are there, no, you just have to take a reference of your first original problem to get the cost values. In the place of, this original problem. Original. Yes. This. Here. This. Got it? I hope all of you have got the values.
Yes, ma'am.
53294. These are the values from the original problem. So when we do the total, we get the value of 23. Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that we have
Yes,
got an optimal solution. Okay. Any doubts?
No, ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am also done, Sumant. I am also leaving the session. So tomorrow, one day, I want you to practice more problems. On WhatsApp, I'll be giving you 2-3 problems so that you all can practice. So these are the updates of today's coronavirus. I hope you all have been very active on your newses and all. So be safe. Be at home. Take care until I meet you with my next few problems and next few different type of cases. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.